Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your OmniSend account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you manually add one contact into your OmniSend account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to manually add just one contact into your OmniSend? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to meet people organically in real life, and you want to be sure to add them onto your list in OmniSend. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your OmniSend dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my OmniSend, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one contact into your OmniSend, here on the left side, you're going to click on Audience. Once you do that, you're going to click on Contacts. All right, once you do that, you're going to click on this turquoise button here on the top right, Add or Update Contacts. All right, once you do that, you'll see these 5 options. However, to manually add just one contact, you're going to click here, Add a Single Contact. Okay, here you can go ahead and enter in their email address or their phone number for your contact. If you want to include more information, you click here, More Fields, and include first name, last name, address, country, date of birth. So this is all optional. However, the more information you have on the person, I would recommend putting it in because you might be able to reference it back later. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in off screen. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and tag the person if you want. This way you can go ahead and segment your lists later. So for example, this person, if they like Mexican food, I'll just tag them as Mexican food. Okay, now we put that tag on them. And then you do need to confirm that that person gave you permission to be added to your list. And then you want to click Add Subscriber here on the bottom right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add just one contact into your OmniSend account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.